Ma'am, trainers are absolutely fine, ma'am, and their coordination is very good. They support. It is very useful for freshers, ma'am, so that they can come to CMTA and they can gain the theoretical knowledge as well as practical knowledge.
Hi, Siddiq. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm good, Siddiq. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Siddiq. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can you introduce about yourself, Siddiq, your college, your hometown? So you can start.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Shaik Abubakar Siddiq. I completed my graduation in Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College of Engineering and Technology, Nandyal, and my hometown is Atmakur, ma'am.
So how did you get to know about CMTI, Siddiq?
Ashok sir came to our college and he teach about the CMTA, ma'am. How does it? It is very useful for engineers, and mostly it is very useful for civil engineers. So through Ashok sir, I joined in CMTA, ma'am.
Okay. So which course you have obtained, Siddiq?
Interior design and site management, ma'am.
Fine. So what and all you learned in that?
Ma'am, in interior design and management, I have learned about the cut list, AutoCAD, SketchUp, material used in interiors, hardware used in interiors, and that's it. And I have visited the sites and all, ma'am. And I get the theoretical knowledge, the practical knowledge through the site visiting.
Like, what about the trainers of CMTI? How was their approach, Siddiq?
Ma'am, trainers are absolutely fine, ma'am, and their coordination is very good. They supported me a lot for reading and all.
Okay. So, Siddiq, can you tell me about Ashok sir? So, how was his guidance, motivation, and also morning 9 o'clock sessions and all you were having, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how did you overcome that? And how was Ashok sir?
Yes, ma'am. Ashok sir always when we came to class, he'll come and he'll say he'll motivate us, ma'am, what to do, how should we view, and what is a profession, and he says about his life. He shares his all successful stories with us, ma'am. That's it.
So now we are having a complete knowledge about interiors, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what about CMTI app, Siddiq? How did that help you?
Yes, ma'am. CMTI apps helps me more, ma'am. When I listen about the placement, I'll get and I open the CMTI app and what is my role, and I studied up through CMTI app, ma'am. I get the topics in the CMTI app. It is very easy to learn, ma'am.
Okay. So what about staffs of CMTI? How was their coordination throughout the process?
Yes, ma'am. The staff is very good, ma'am. They support me a lot.
Yeah, Siddiq. So tell me why this training is very important for the freshers.
Ma'am, actually, when we join the BTech, in BTech life, we will just know theoretical knowledge, ma'am. In BTech, they won't teach about the practical knowledge. But after coming to CMTA, we can get the theoretical knowledge as well as practical knowledge. And it is very easy for freshers that they can get knowledge, ma'am, and they can get easy placement. It is very useful for freshers, ma'am, so that they can come to CMTA and they can gain the theoretical knowledge as well as practical knowledge.
So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Siddiq?
My suggestion is one, ma'am, join CMTI and they'll give best placement and they'll give best training. And the faculty was so nice and they clear the doubts every time when we call at night. They'll lift the call and they'll answer. They'll help a lot, ma'am. And freshers can join without with the trusting. You can join, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Siddiq. Thanks so much for your feedback. So all the best for your upcoming days and congratulations for your placements once again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Siddiq.